Running a business has to be legal, especially if you're an immigrant. Therefore, registering your business has to be an essential step. Not to overcomplicate it, for sole proprietorship, which is the easiest form and also great for beginners, you provide your personal information plus your business name, make a payment, and in exchange you receive a business certificate with a number from your province. Every province has its own registration body, but I will give you an example of Ontario since most of you are based there. Though below this video, you'll find links to the business registry body in every province of Canada. To begin the process, make sure that you have an internet connection and your contact information like name, phone number, and address, as well as a credit or debit card ready. First, go on Ontario Business Registry, click Access the Registry, then find a list of all services offered. Next, there's a lot of different structures to register, but we're going to do the simplest one, which is sole proprietorship. Then you want to click on Register a Business Name for a sole proprietorship. All you need to enter now is your contact information like name, email, and phone number. In step 1, they will ask you for a proposed business name. Make sure it's original. There's a check button for that. Primary activity, this is where you'd want to go onto the NAICS website and search for the code of your industry. In the example I've given you, the code is 541810, advertising agencies. After you've confirmed your email, you can go to the next step. Here you simply enter your address. It can be your home address or office address if you have one. And usually if you run an online business, it'd be your home address. Click the same as the address of the principal place of business if your business address is your home address. Authorization is to make sure you're the one submitting the request. Finally, you want to review and sign the registration application and submit. To make it go through, you'd need to make the payment and wait for a couple of days. In Nova Scotia, they first have you register your name and then the sole proprietorship entity. So you first reserve the name and then you can register the sole proprietorship associated with the name. But in Ontario, it's just one application I showed you. Then you'll receive a certificate in a couple of days that will allow you to start your business and open a business bank account. If you got confused and need my feedback, there's a link below this video to book a one-on-one call with me. I almost forgot something very important. Keeping track of your numbers. Money that you make, money that you spend. How do you do it when you start your business? There's a very simple software I use called QuickBooks, and I invite you to watch this video next to learn how to not burn your money as a new business owner.